Do you want a hardwood floor with waterproof durability? If so, waterproof hardwood flooring might be right for you. From dropped cereal to leaky washers, it's ready for almost anything. Many manufacturers rate their products as 100% waterproof, and even offer warranties to back up their claims. This way, your days of stressing over water issues are over. Another big benefit is that natural hardwood look. Waterproof hardwood can increase your property value, giving durability, beauty, and uniqueness. Even though embossed imaging on vinyl is similar, it repeats eventually, so for a one-of-a-kind look, real hardwood can't be beat. Ever want real hardwood in your bathroom, laundry room, basement? With waterproof hardwood, you can. It can be installed above or below grade, meaning you can put it in any room you choose. Even high-traffic households are covered. Its wear layer is pet-proof and kid-friendly, so it holds up to everything from scratches to dents to drool. If you're interested in waterproof hardwood, we recommend Raintree brand. Combining 100% waterproof material with real hardwood, it's a great addition to your home. Finished with aluminum oxide for extra durability, this strong, low-maintenance flooring will keep looking great for years to come. Still want more info on waterproof hardwood? Check out our blog post in the description below, and take a look through our listings at paneltown.com.